3 of the most powerful tips to build a portfolio that attracts high-paying clients. Tip number 1, focus on quality over quantity. Early in my career, I felt the need to showcase every project I worked on, thinking that more meant better. But I quickly learned that it's far more effective to highlight your best work, especially the types of projects you want more of. Clients are attracted to excellence and not the volume of work that you have done. Tip number 2, showcase problem solving, not just the final project. Don't just show off a pretty website, highlight the challenges from that project and the solutions you solved for the client. Tip number 3, testimonials matter. A couple of well-placed client testimonials made all the difference in helping me land high-paying clients. After delivering great work, always ask your happy clients for reviews. These testimonials boost your credibility and can make potential clients trust you much faster. So share those testimonials that potential clients might be looking for, including across your social media and your landing pages.